IN10. I'm spellbound.
I'm spellbound. Say hi, Owie.
Hi. Say hello, world. Hello, world. Whoa, that's the tool. Oh. Yeah, this is literally just like mine. The front wheel's off. You have to.
Oh boy. Be easy now.
And it has a ratchet strap holding it down.
Oh my gosh.
Now, son, what kind of tools you need? Get that ratchet strap off. Get that ratchet strap. I need help, Titus. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, son.
Old son, son.
Should
I get a knife? Yeah, give me a knife. Film and get me a knife at the same time. You. I got this. Wait, get the Kendall Gray knife.
Just be careful. Make sure you're not gonna. Cut that.
Certified cameraman. Oh, yeah. We're gonna have to kind of lift it up first.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to really work with this thing. Oh yeah. Are you building it, or are you and your dad building it? Son, who knows? Me and you may build it. You build it. Yeah.
That would be funny.
Yeah, that would.
Okay.
Certified. I'm a diesel mechanic. Yeah, his dad works as a diesel mechanic. Yeah, and my dad taught me.
All right, I'm gonna try to lift it. Good. Yeah, you gotta help us, Titus. Okay. We're gonna try to lift it and set it right here. Okay.
Oh. Oh yeah. I gotta cut the camera, guys.
We gotta wait on.
Got my papa. He wanna build this motorcycle thingy. But look at this suspension on this.
You're showing the chair,
You're
baby.
missing it.
I am.
Bounce it again.
Dang-nabbit. It ain't as good as it's gonna be.
Which broke all the pieces.
I'm saying.
Look all the pieces off.
Huh?
Enjoy this time lapse.
Huh?
I'm gonna leave the Yozma keys in here. Yeah, probably small.
All right, Titus. What's it called again?
We're going in with
Spray grease lubes.
Spray grease lube.
spray grease lube.
I might as well go.
Here we go.
That's right.
I can knife in the pocket in case somebody attacks.
Give it Vance a shout out, Titus.
I got it. Give the band a shout out at the end of the video. Oh yeah. I'll just be like, yo, you on a YouTube video? Thanks y'all a lot. Yeah. There we go.
I don't want to smoke though.
Good.
Just imagine I was driving bad as my first call.
Do what? I know, right?
I got a picture of it. Ooh.
Ooh. Do you have a picture of it, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Pull her up.
Maybe in a minute. Excuse us. Mm-hmm. If we need it.
Rain it. You may just ask the fellow for help.
Whoever is June, he's got a Halloween shirt on.
Is that Titus's?
I'm sorry. It's on your phone. About 66. Okay, we're getting there. Just trust me. Let's just go talk to an employee.
Something like this, I believe.
Y'all stay around. guys. It's been riding a little. It ain't the best right now.
Come on. Are you gonna ride it, or are you just gonna sit on it?
It's
So-
squeezing. I can see it squeezing.
My bike pad's messed up, and I don't think this is bad.
It's fine, baby.
It's like
Listen,
not
this is
used
something
one.
Uncle Eugene could look at. I got a chick
Or-
on me.
Are you serious?
Yeah, little baby chick right there.
Jeez.
Something
Or-
Uncle Eugene could
When
loosen it.
Evan's dad comes home, he could look at it too.
You think this is bad?
No, it's
Could
fine,
I
baby.
still ride it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.